So for breakfast, we'll have muesli and yogurt. Belgium, a meal is incomplete without chocolates. Hey guys, this is Sarah and welcome to Street Food Around You. And today, we're going to see if €5 is enough to survive in terms of food. So let's check it out. So let's go. Let's start with breakfast. So for breakfast, we'll have muesli and yogurt. Yes, muesli. So this muesli costs €1.63, 500 grams. We'll put this to our cart.
Yogurt.
Now let's get some yogurt. So this is the yogurt. This cost 90 cents. Let's add this to the cart. Let's get some fruits. Ooh, how about bananas? It costs €1.69 per kilo. So now we're done with breakfast. So let's get some dinner and lunch. For lunch, how about some sandwiches? This is whole bread. Okay, sure. This is whole bread. Now let's cut it. This is our bread. Let's get some veggies. So let's start with some tomatoes. How about cucumbers? This one. And some leafy vegetables. Okay. This costs €1.49. Let's add this to our cart. Now let's have some cheese spread. So let's get that one. It costs 69 cents. Let's add this to our cart. So now let's get some orange juice. How about this one? Lemonade orange syrup. This costs 69 cents. Let's add this to our cart. So now we are done with our lunch. Now let's get the dinner. How about some pizza for dinner? Does it sound good? Okay, let's get some pizza now. Belgium, a meal is incomplete without chocolates and waffles. So let's check about some waffles. So these are the plain waffles, which sugar coated. These are also the plain waffles. These are the chocolate coated waffles. Okay. So these are the plain mini waffles. So these are the chocolate coated mini waffles. Okay. These are the more small waffles, but plain. These are the plain waffles. These are the fully coated large chocolate waffles. These are the mini chocolate waffles. These are the plain waffles. So more or less there are a lot of choices of waffles, like a lot. So now what shall we choose? Which kind of waffle? How about those? Okay, these are the chocolate waffles, and these are my favorite waffles. So let's add this to our cart. Ooh, there are a lot of things. So now let's have some chocolates. There are so many varieties of chocolates, candies. So let's quickly add some chocolates, one of each. So this is the last one. So there are chocolates. So let's get some pizza now. Let's get these ones. So let's get these ones. So the cost is €1.98. So this shopping costed €18.28, but we took some extra bananas which costed €2.22, these ones. So if you minus them, so we get more or less around €16. Okay. So and this pizza box contains 3 pizza. So this euros is enough for 3 days. A person can easily survive with all of this food for 3 days. Guys, if you like this video, don't forget to smash the like button and hit the subscribe button and share the video too. So goodbye, see you soon.